Hi you guys, I'm Nikki, mother of 6, wife, content creator, and dreamer, and this is our journey. We gave up everything to move home to take care of our parents and restore our 100-year-old home. So grab your coffee, get cozy, and let's renovate one room at a time. These bushes that we originally cut down are now back full grown, and they have little berries on it. But I just thought it was so cute to see that the bushes have grown back and they have berries. I didn't bring it. I forgot it. Look at the little berries. Probably. Let's see if I can lift. So I'm gonna take a picture. We have some down here. I'm just gonna take a picture and see what it is. Hubby was like, you know what they say, you just taste a little bit, and if you get sick, I don't know, what if I die? We're not doing that. Recently it's been a lot of rain, so the grass has grown quite a bit. See all the flowers here. And something else I really wanted to show you guys, y'all, trash be everywhere. Everybody's trash blow over here, and we have to clean it up every time we come out here, but yeah. Okay, but something really exciting that I wanted to show you guys. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful she is, you guys. All the leaves fell off of this beauty, and she's finally growing back. These are completely done. They're ready to be cut down, and hubby is going to get into all of that really soon. I am not going to attempt to do anything with these trees, because if it falls to hell, I don't want to be blamed for it, okay? But this beauty, look at her. She has finally started to grow back, and I came over here last time and my microphone was dead, and I was just talking y'all ears off, but y'all couldn't hear anything I was saying, so I had to get rid of that footage. But look at the birds in the tree flying around. Look at her finally showing that she's still with us. She's still standing tall, and she's waiting for us to finish this project. We thought she was gone for good, and hubby was like, you know, my dad used to water this tree all the time. She just had so much love into her, and it's been a while since we shown her some love. So I just think she really needed some love, and the rain just started pouring, and look at her. We have not been able to continue on with the gate at all. One, because it took them longer than 48 hours to come out to mark the property, and two, because it started to rain. It's been raining on and off for maybe the past 3 weeks. It's been on and off, so we haven't been able to do anything. And as you can see, it's getting ready to rain again today. We're supposed to have rain all weekend. It has already started to rain on the other side where we live. And look at that beautiful bird. Oh my gosh, I don't know if y'all can see. Hold on, let me see if I can get it in the camera. There it is. Wait, nope, that's not it. My eyes. My poor eyes. Did she fly off? No, she's still right there. Let me see if I can get closer. The wind is blowing. I'm trying to see the shingles, you guys. Look, hold on. The shingles are flying. The shingles are flying off the roof. That is so funny to me. But Okay. Let me see if y'all can see. Where is she? Where is she? She was just flying up. I don't know where she went. Okay, but anyway, I started a blog and it's called, oh, there she is. There she is. Wait, can you see her? Okay, let me see. There she is. Look how gorgeous. She is so cute. Where is she going? She's loving this tree. All right, so I started a blog. It's called Beneath the Water Tree, and I named it that because this tree was the inspiration of us coming back here. Of course, we had to move back here to take care of my husband's parents. And okay, dog. But we had to move back here to take care of his parents. But this tree was really like, we really need to start putting love into the home and into this property, because she was just standing here looking oh so beautiful by herself. And I was like, you know what? Yeah, it's time. Let's start working on the house. So with us coming over here and our kids, the first thing that they ran to was this tree, because when they were babies, they used to climb this tree all the time and sit and play in this tree. So that was the inspiration behind the blog. And just to come over here and see that she's back at it is, it's just warming my heart. Okay, so the yard looks stupid crazy. We haven't been able to touch the fence. It's been wet out. Brush is coming really soon, so they will be out here to pick all of this up. And this wood here, we have to pick up and put out trash. And we're getting ready to work in the house. So let's move on into the house. Okay, this is going to be the wall. And we're leaving the house. We have to go because the kiddos are getting out of school. But we came over here pretty late. We were just running errands in the neighborhood. But the sandpaper that I picked up works really well. Although I hate that it's not really wide. But it works really well. Once we complete sanding, this is day 2 of sanding that wall. Once we complete sanding, then we're going to go in really thoroughly and clean the wall down before we stain it one more time. Once we stain it, then that wall will be complete. We can go ahead and add our wall shelves and whatever decor or however we want it to look. We can go ahead and add it over there because nothing else will be over there on that wall. So I'm excited about that. And we do have the wood for the gate. We have the wood for the roof. We just have to come over here and do it. That's all. And we haven't been over here in like 3 weeks. So. Plus it's been raining really bad. Plus we had a birthday and my daughter, she's been partying all month. And she's going to have another good old time Saturday. I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you, babe, so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm tired. I'm definitely gonna see y'all in the next one.